Hey everybody, this is the new Barton Musical Circuit's voltage controlled release module. This has two channels that create envelopes that are just release. You input a trigger or a gate signal to one of these inputs, and then it goes immediately high, and then on the trigger input then starts releasing, and on the gate input waits till your gate goes down and then starts releasing. These knobs control the release time. The further you turn it right, the faster, and the further left, the slower. And then this control voltage modifies whatever knob position you have up here. And then we also have these toggles here that set how slow it can go. In the upper portion, it's in a mode where it's going to be, you have finer control over very fast release times. So this would be useful for doing like percussive envelopes and things like that. And in the slower, it can get very, very long, up to 3 minutes. So this is more useful for doing sequencing envelopes, where you might want to have a filter sweep that goes over several bars of music. And also for more like non-percussive, if you wanted to try to get a very slow decrescendo or something like that. But yeah, let me, so I'll set my gate input from my manual voltages to the trigger, output going to a VCA and then CV here. And so that's very fast. That's a bit faster at the very fastest mode. And so you can still get a pretty long envelope with the in fast mode, but I'll set it to slow mode just so you hear that. Which I don't know if this microphone's even sensitive enough that you can hear that it's going down, but it is very slowly going down. That's a little more noticeable at that setting. I just don't want this video to be 10 minutes long where I show you what the 3-minute and then the 2-minute release time sound like. Yeah, and then I'm going to input a little control voltage, or a lot of control voltage, and set this down. And so then now I'll have a patch where the higher the pitch, the shorter the envelope will be, which mirrors how how we kind of assume acoustic instruments are going to be a lot of the time. But yeah, that's just a little example of what this can do. I had done a 4-channel release module with no voltage control a while back, and people always ask me if they could add voltage control to it. Oh, and let me show you the gate input too, just so you see it like sustaining. So you can... Oh, that was actually really fast. You barely even heard the release. But yeah, if you didn't understand what I meant earlier, it's holding until I depress that button that's creating the gate. But yeah, thank you for watching. This is the first thing I've released in a while because my house flooded, and it feels good to be back to doing something I like instead of just spending all my time getting back to zero. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.